Welcome to Advanced Dual Health and Life Coach Certification. Today we're going to discuss specialized coaching topics in health and wellness, specifically genetic insights in coaching. Let's start with an introduction. Genetic insights offer a revolutionary lens to understand individual differences, enabling coaches to tailor their approaches based on a client's unique DNA profile. By incorporating genetics into coaching, we can design personalized strategies for health, fitness, nutrition, emotional resilience, and overall well-being. This lecture explores the integration of genetic insights into coaching, the benefits of such approach, and how to effectively implement these techniques for mastery-level coaching. Here are some key points of learning. What are genetic insights? Genetic insights involve analyzing an individual's DNA to understand traits, predispositions, and tendencies. These insights include nutrient metabolism, basically how efficiently the body metabolizes vitamins like B12 or minerals like magnesium. For example, a client with a gene variant associated with poor vitamin D absorption benefits from supplementation. Fitness potential, genetic influences on strength, endurance, or recovery time. For example, a client with genes favoring fast twitch muscles performs better with sprint-based training. Stress response, variations in genes linked to cortisol reactivity. For example, a client predisposed to higher stress reactions learns relaxation techniques. And sleep patterns, genetic factors influencing sleep quality and requirements. Your genes aren't limits, they're insights guiding us towards your fullest potential. How can coaches use genetic data? Personalized fitness programs to align with genetic predispositions. Optimize diet and supplementation for nutrient deficiencies, leverage stress resilience markers to build mental strength, and tailor recovery returns based on sleep and recovery genetics. For example, we'll decode your genetics to find what works best for you. Let's look at your lifestyle. While genetics provide a blueprint, epigenetics reveal how lifestyle choices like diet, exercise, and stress management influence gene expression. For example, a client's workout consistency switches on genes that enhances metabolism. Genes load the gun, but lifestyles pull the trigger. Take a few moments to review this diagram on the right and look at the environmental toxicants. Here you'll see timing and concentration, source and route of the exposure, type of pollutants, and different factors that impact this, including your individual characteristics, your lifestyle, and your settings. Here are some benefits of personalized coaching through genetics. Precision and recommendations. Genetic data allows precise nutrition, fitness, and recovery. For example, a client identified a slow caffeine metabolizer avoids coffee after noon to enhance sleep. And you can look at proactive risk management. Understanding predispositions helps prevent chronic conditions. For example, a client with a higher risk for joint inflammation adjusts exercises to protect mobility. Take a look at this diagram on the right, and this shows the benefits of personalized experiences. And you can look at this through the lens of improved customer experience, higher conversion rates, increased customer loyalty, and better customer insights. Enhance client engagement. Clients feel valued when strategies are personalized. A client notes improved motivation after seeing how their genetic profile informs goals. Number 4, long-term results. Sustainable changes are possible by leveraging DNA-driven insights for tailored routines and interventions. The changes we make now align with your body and your biology for lifelong results. Implementing genetic insights effectively. Step 1, data collection. Encourage clients to use certified genetic testing kits. For example, 23andMe or medical-grade saliva tests. Step 2, professional interpretation. Work with a certified genetic counselor or courses to interpret complex genetic reports confidently. And step 3, integrating your findings. Look at your fitness plans. Adapt for endurance versus strength training based on the ACTN3 gene. And dietary adjustments. Modify carb versus fat intake informed by FTO or APOA2 gene variations. For example, a high-carb diet benefits certain clients with the FTO variant. Take a look at the diagram on the right to review your goal setting, your proactive planning, and how to apply this. Step 4, lifestyle coaching. Help clients implement sustainable changes based on their results. For example, evening meditation for a client prone to high cortisol production. Step by step will align your behavior with your DNA for lasting change. And step 5, continuity and feedback. Regularly assess genetic-based interventions and adjust based on progress. For example, your success is rooted in blending your genetics with adaptable strategies. Mastery level techniques for coaches. Number 1, deep learning of genetics. Study key genes in areas such as sleep, fitness, and nutrition. For example, familiarize yourself with the COMT enzyme so you can look at stress metabolisms. Also, explore further habit-based coaching and how these behaviors can be proven to modulate gene expression. For example, encourage mindful eating to regulate stress-related genes. Cognitive reframing. Help clients reframe genetic predisposition as opportunities rather than limitations. For example, you're not genetically slow at recovery, you just need longer to rest between workouts. Your genes empower you. The story you tell about them is your strength. Take a few moments to review the Agile Coaching Growth Wheel on the right. Number 4, collaborative care. Work with dietitians and genetic counselors for multidisciplinary support. And number 5, emotional engagement. Tailor conversations to help clients feel inspired by their unique blueprint. For example, as a coach, you might say, your previous position shows sky-high potential for endurance. Let's capitalize on it. We're turning insights into action and action into victory. Here are some few summary tables. Table 1, genetic traits and coaching applications. Here you will see the genetic trait, definition and explanation, coaching application, detailed example, and insight for coaches. Let's walk through one. Stress reactivity, the definition and explanation. Genetic markers like FKBP5 influence cortisol responses during stressful events. Coaching application, introduce relaxation or stress management techniques. Detailed example, evening yoga and meditation to help a high stress reactivity client regulate their cortisol levels. An insight for coaches, educate clients on linking stress triggers to physical reactions for proactive coping. Take a few moments to review the rest of Table 1. Table 2, nutritional insights and genetic recommendations. Here you will see the gene, the biological role, the nutritional focus, the detailed example, and the practical coaching insight. Take a look at these genes, FTO, MTHFR, APOA2, CYP1A2, and TCF7L2. Look at how each impact the biological role, the nutrition focus, the detailed example, and the practical coaching insight. Table 3, lifestyle adjustments based on DNA blueprint. Here you will see the genetic marker, the role in wellness, lifestyle adjustments, examples of actionable steps, and coaching expertise opportunities. Take a look at PER3 sleep regulation. What's its role in wellness? It affects your circadian rhythms and the ability to wake and sleep effectively. Lifestyle adjustments create structured bedtime and wake routines. Examples of actionable steps, such as limiting screens an hour before sleep for PER3 related insomnia tendencies. And the coaching expertise opportunities align coaching strategies with relaxation techniques like deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation. Take a few moments to review the rest of the table on lifestyle adjustments based on a DNA blueprint. Table 4, fitness insights and training recommendations. Here you will see the fitness marker, the function and performance, optimal training style, program adjustments examples, and key takeaways for coaches. Take a few moments to walk through each of these fitness markers and the fitness insights and training recommendations. Table 5, benefits of genetic integration and coaching practices. Here you'll see the benefit, the explanation, the results achieved, example in action, and coaching mastery approach. Let's walk through one. Motivated engagement. The explanation, personalized guidance helps clients feel heard and understood, fostering accountability. Results achieved, increased adherence to plans due to personal relevance. The example in action, a client with carb sensitivity feeling empowered after learning optimal fueling techniques. And the coach mastery approach, create check-in periods customized to unique ways genetic markers unite motivation. Take a few moments to review the rest of the slide. Here are some multiple choice questions. Number 1, what is the primary purpose of using genetic insights in coaching? Review options A through D. The correct answer is C, to create highly personalized strategies based on client DNA. Number 2, which gene is directly associated with athletic traits like power and endurance? The correct answer is B, ACTN3. Number 3, how does epigenetics impact outcomes in coaching? A, by predicting all genetic tendencies. B, by determining how lifestyle factors affect gene expression. C, by fixing DNA-based limitations permanently. Or D, by removing the influence of diet and exercise on health. The correct answer is B, by determining how lifestyle factors affect gene expression. Question 4. Which genetic marker is useful in personalizing dietary recommendations? The correct answer is A, FTO. The FTO gene is associated with carbohydrate and fat metabolism. Insights into FTO variations can guide tailored dietary approaches to optimize weight management and energy. And question number 5. Why is reframing genetic predispositions important during coaching? The correct answer is B. Perception shapes motivation and long-term commitments to goals.